Hi there, let's draw and color a beautiful flower vase step by step. Grab your colors and let's begin. Start with an oval for the top. Then draw a curved body and a flat bottom. Add wavy decorative patterns. Extend 3 stems from the vase. Draw a round petaled flower in the middle. A spiky one on the left. And a wavy one on the right. Add small circles at their centers. Color the vase pink with yellow patterns and a blue top and bottom. Color the middle flower magenta with a yellow center. Color the left flower yellow with a lavender center. Color the right flower green with an orange center.